Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a haul from my aunt. My aunt recently did some traveling and she purchased me products from Korea and Cambodia. So I'm really excited to give these products a shot. My aunt's such an awesome person. She always brings me back goodies from her travels. So I'm really excited that she saw some of my new YouTube videos and decided to get me some products to try out on camera. I'm just really excited and blessed to have an aunt, not just for that, but you know, she's been such a great support throughout my entire life, and she's been such an influential person that has helped shape me into the woman I have become today. So shout out to Aunt Adrian, you're awesome and the real MVP. So before diving into this haul, make sure you subscribe to my channel below and ring the notification bell to be notified for future content. And yeah, let's jump in. So I'm just really excited because I'm new to the Korean skincare and I haven't really, unless I'm unknowingly used products from Cambodia, so I'm just really excited. Aw, there's a card. Amanda. That's me. Aww, she even picked something up for Griffin. She definitely watched one of my videos. I believe it's the Target skincare one because she writes in quotes, guilty pleasure, and it's referring to the blackhead removal. Aww. Love AG #1. That's an inside thing that my aunt and I have. Her initials being AG, mine are also AG, and if you look on the periodic table, it's silver. We awesome. Chemistry nerd love, you gotta love it. So this is what the box looks like. Lots of fun goodies inside. So in the note she mentioned the two Hello Kitty products. One's a BB cream, and then this one is a smooth eyeliner. Oh, how cute is that? Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's a nice application. So this is what it looks like on the hand. Ooh, it blends in really nice. It's really soft. It's not heavy at all. Very light. I mean, it is a beauty creams are really, really light. And if you don't want to do a full face, it's really nice. It blended in really nice. Obviously, it was with my finger. Using a sponge or a brush, it would blend in nicer. Overall, it feels really nice. It's not greasy. It's not oily. It just goes right in. So it's not going to give you like that kicky look. It's going to give a nice finish. I have product on my face, so I can't test it out right now on my face. But from a first impressions, really nice. Alright, now we're gonna about the eyeliner. Oh, it's a nice felt tip. I love felt tip eyeliners. You know, to get like a good wing, it's really precise looking, so I think with the wing it would look really good. Or if you're like me and you hate doing wings, just putting it on top. It's gonna apply right. Oh yeah, that's nice. So I can't draw a straight line because I was looking at it. But it looks really nice. It's really dark and pigmented. I think it would look really good over some eyeshadow to achieve a really dark matte look. It's not going to be glittery, whereas some liquid eyeliners can have like that gray appeal, but it's definitely really pigmented. Nice color to it. Both of these products are definitely a win. I'm just really excited to try them out and see what my true impressions with using these products on my eyes and my face look like. The next product I see is the Tako Pore Bubble Pore Pack Pore Solution. Hashtag I have no pores. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. He is so adorable. Alright, let's just see what he looks like. Oh my gosh. I am in love. I'm in love. He's just so cool. You can't tell that this one's shorter when I do this. Oh, you guys made me ink. I couldn't resist. Ooh. Oh wow. This is what the inside looks like. It looks like a lot of fun. I'm afraid to hold it from any other angle. Oh, it smells really nice. Octopus Bubble Mud Pack effectively cleanses away sebum from pores. This looks like a fun product. Definitely excited to try this out. I mean, he's just so cute. After I use up all this product, he's definitely going to be chilling in my bathroom because he is just too cute to throw away. Like, he's just adorable. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Ah, we got a Tako Pore one-shot nose pack with our little friend too. He is just so cute. This is what she must be referring to with putting it on my nose like a pore strip and ripping it off. Satisfying. So this doesn't contain any parabens like the Target Up and Up brand does. Instead contains phenoxyethanol, which is preservative. Preservatives are just used in products to extend the shelf life of a product or to prevent any oxidation while being stored. But he's just really cute. I'm really excited. So this is what it looks like. So you apply it in your T-zone area and you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I guess it depends on your skin how long you want to leave it on. I know for me, when I leave on products, I tend to do the maximum or I even go beyond that. But for something like skin, since I do have really dry skin, I might not do it for the full 15, but it is my T-zone and I do get oily there, so I might. Just to give it a full shot, just to make sure that the product is working thoroughly, effectively to remove all the gunk. But he's just so cute. I'm just obsessed. Like, I need. So this next product is the Sulwhasoo. I can't. Sulwhasoo? Oh, these are masks. Oh my gosh. We are on to something. Aunt Adrian's on to something. Oh, look at these little masks. Okay, so they're all different. Here's the first one. This one's an overnight mask. I love overnight masks. So the packaging doesn't have any instructions, but in the past, using an overnight mask, it's the last step that you will use in your skincare routine or your PM routine. My last step is applying the Sunday Riley UFO oil on my face. So I would go in with this overnight mask afterwards and just apply it. It just works overnight. So it's like a cream or a gel that you just layer on over your face after the oil, and it just functions as a mask that you just don't rinse off. Gives you just like the hydrating feeling while you're asleep, and it'll help turn over your cells, and it just prepares your skin for when you clean it in the morning, just to get your dead cells, any dust, bugs, you know, all that crap that happens to you while you're asleep. It just preps your skin really well for the next morning while also delivering hydration, because I know in our apartment it's very dry in it and having dry skin, so I feel like having some extra moisture while I'm asleep cannot hurt. So really excited. I've only used one other overnight mask in the past, which was by the brand Pore, and I really enjoyed that. You use it 3 times a week, so I would probably use it on the opposite days that I do an intense mask, just to kind of keep a consistent routine. And it's funny because I was actually in Sephora, go figure, and I was looking at overnight masks, and I was just kind of like, should I get something? So read my mind. We're on that AG telepathic wavelength, so really, really excited. This next one is the Radiance Energy Mask. So Radiance Energy Masks help brighten your face, and it'll help the appearance of dull skin, uneven texture, and calming of the redness. So I'm really excited to incorporate this into my routine. Instead of using my Lush Coffee Mask or my Glam Glow Gravity Mud Masks, this would be a good chance to rotate it into my routine. I do masks on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. I definitely want to swap him out with the Lush one first, just to see how it works well with the Gravity masks, or I will take out the Gravity masks, try him, and then incorporate it with the Lush Crowned Coffee. I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet, because I don't know how intense this mask is supposed to be, but really excited. I'm all about masks to bring back moisture to your face, to keep the hydration balanced. I have a very imbalanced skin as it is with keeping up with the dryness on my face, and I do have some really bad texture every now and then, and I'm naturally really red in the face, so it's really hard to find a good mask or products to help all those trouble issues, and I love keeping my pores clean because ugh. And then the third mask is the clarifying mask. I would incorporate him during times of stress. I don't really have really bad acne. I used to when I was like in that awkward middle school phase, but I used Proactive and it cleared me up. My acne that I really get right now is from stress. So since I don't break out that much, I don't really use clarifying products, but I've also noticed if I forget to wash my face in the morning or at night, I might wake up with just a couple of FU pimples in the morning, but that Sunday Riley oil that I mentioned earlier in this video really helps keep the texture of my skin balanced really well. I tend to see like bumps throughout the day, so I don't know if it's just my skin being as sensitive as it is, being exposed to different environments, you know, just from walking outside to in the lab at work. I have really strange skin. I have awesome skin, don't get me wrong, but it's just strange throughout the day. I've noticed where I'll wash my face at night, put that oil on, hopefully in combination with this mask, I'll wake up clear and I get textured throughout the day. If that happens to you, let me know in the comments below and tell me how you fight that, because it is a weird issue that I have. Oh my gosh. So we have like these little mini pet sweet, mini pet fruits, mini pet baby, mini pet floral. So I'll just show each one. the face shop, and then the rest is in Korean. Sweet. Let's try to open up one of these and just to kind of see what they are. They are really cute. Whenever I am done with all of these products, I am definitely keeping them. They are not going in the garbage. I'm going to display them around my vanity, my bathroom, because they're just too cute. I love the packaging. It looks like a moisturizer of some sort. Oh, it smells good. Oh, these are hand creams. They are really, really cute. I am definitely going to bring one of these to work and leave it on my desk. And they're fragrance as well. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to apply it on my hand. Oh, man. That is soft. That is really soft. I've noticed a lot of hand creams are pretty thick. They don't really go into the skin as good as this. Like, it doesn't sit on the skin. It just it quickly absorbs and goes right in, which is really nice. I have really, really dry hands, and especially since it's winter, they're drier than usual and they get chapped really bad. I am going to go through these in like record speed, not intentionally, but just because I at least apply lotion to my hands almost once an hour, once every 2 hours, however often. These are just really cute, and I'm just so grateful to get more hand creams because a lot of lotions, when I use them as hand moisturizers, a lot of them are greasy. My hands become slippery and it's just no, but this hand cream doesn't have like that greasy feel. It feels very moisturizing and hydrating. And they smell really, really good. I use the mini pet fruits. I am taking him to work tomorrow. We have 2 products left. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This next product is the nose pack package for pores. These are also pore strips as well to clear out blackheads and impurities with egg and natural ingredient. Eggs. Interesting. The ingredients are in Korean, but the instructions are in English. Let me see if I can pull one out to see if there are ingredients. And they're still in Korean. Noticing how the other pore pack that was in this package that it didn't contain a paraben, but it contained a preservative, I am going to see if I can find the ingredient list just to double check. I'm still really, really excited to give these a shot. What I've noticed with Korean beauty is that their products are really gentle. It's really interesting if I compare like Korean ingredients versus what I would typically get at Sephora or the drugstore, just to compare and contrast ingredient lists, because when I've used Korean beauty or even Japanese beauty products in the past, like it just had a really gentle feeling. It didn't irritate my skin at all. It didn't cause any redness. So I'm sure like the way that they formulate their products, and I'm sure the ingredients also play a role as well. It's just interesting to me how much I've seen a difference trying Korean products, Japanese products like Tarte, for example, how gentle and effective those products are compared to the gentleness, because like I've noticed some of the products from Sephora and the drugstore can be like a little rough, so I don't know if it's just from making it and the formula, the ingredients as well. The pains of beauty. And the last product is the banana. Insert minion here. The Tonymoly banana sleeping pack. Magic food banana. It's really cute. I'm just like on like the minion kick right now. The banana. Interesting. So this is the Tonymoly Magic Food Banana Sleeping Pack that focuses on rich moisturization and nutrition supply. So I have to think about how I'm going to incorporate this into my routine, because I do use a moisturizer at night and I need to see how intense this is, because after I put on my night moisturizer, I put that Sunday Riley oil that I mentioned a couple times now into this video. So I just need to see how it works alone and also with the oil as well. It looks like it's going to be a pretty intense moisturizer because it was mentioned to use at night, and my nighttime routine is definitely more vigorous than my morning routine. I definitely have to experiment with this product just to see how I can incorporate it into my routine. I just ran out of night cream, so it's good timing to receive a new product for nighttime. I've been struggling trying to find a really good nighttime moisturizer. I was using Boscia for a while, and then I switched to Neutrogena because I only had like a little bit left, and now I'm switching to Origins just because I got a little sample from Ulta. It's been hard. It's not been consistent as I would like it to be, but it just leaves room for opportunity to experiment with new products like this. I'm just really excited to give all of these products a shot. It's all skincare and I'm really excited about that because skincare is so important to me and Korean skincare is supposed to be really good. I've used some Korean beauty products in the past and I've really enjoyed them, so I'm just really excited to give these a shot and the BB cream and the eyeliner a shot too, because my Skone eyeliner that I have right now in my eyes is slowly dying, so I'm going to use this one. I'm just overall really happy and excited with the diverse products that my aunt sent to me. Thank you again, Aunt Adrian, for sending this to me. I'm really grateful that you thought of me on your travels and got me some really good goodies to play with, because I have not tried any of these and I'm just really excited to give them a shot. Who knows, one of these could be my holy grails. I'm still not over how cute he is. He is my favorite right now. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Your love and support means a lot to me. This was a fun video to film because it was a haul for my aunt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the next video.